In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image black and white in Affinity Designer. Turning a color photo into monochrome is a powerful way to highlight shape, contrast, and mood. The best part is that Affinity Designer lets you do this non-destructively, so you can fine-tune the look anytime without harming your original image. Start by opening the Affinity app on your computer and loading the document that contains your image. If you're beginning a new project, place the image onto your canvas so it appears as a layer. Give the app a moment to finish loading your project so the interface and panels are ready to go. Click directly on the image to select it. You should see a bounding box or an active highlight in the Layers panel, which tells you the correct layer is selected. If nothing seems to happen, the image might be inside a group. Expand the group in the Layers panel and click the image layer there. Selecting the right layer first is important because your adjustment will be tied to whichever layer is active. Now look to the left side of your workspace and click the Adjustments icon. It usually looks like a half-filled circle and opens the Adjustment Studio. Adjustments are ideal here because they're added as separate layers. That means you can toggle their visibility, change their order, mask them, and revisit the settings later, all without permanently changing your source image. From the list of adjustments, choose black and white. Your image will immediately convert to grayscale, and a panel will appear with sliders for different color channels such as reds, yellows, greens, cyans, blues, and magentas. Even though the image is now black and white, these sliders control how each original color maps to gray. For example, nudging the red slider affects areas that were red like bricks or skin tones, adjusting blues influences skies and water, and tweaking yellows and greens helps with foliage and many natural elements. Make small, gradual moves and watch the midtones and highlights so the image retains depth and detail. If you go too far, reset a slider or step back to a previous value. Because this is an adjustment layer, you can drag it in the Layers panel to control what it affects, toggle its eye icon to compare before and after, and double-click it at any time to refine the look. Consider naming the layer for clarity if you plan to stack multiple effects. That's all it takes to convert an image to black and white in Affinity Designer while keeping full creative control. Thanks for watching, and have fun crafting striking monochrome visuals.